YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn USDT from your Trustwallet or any other wallet in which you make use of. So guys, I made a video earlier on this, on how to do this. So guys, the link is in the description box below. When you tap on it, what you need to do is to input your details and sign up, and after signing up you can go ahead to sign in and you'll be logged into your account automatically. So guys, to sign in, input your email and your password, then you'll be signed in automatically. So when this is done, as you can see over here, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, and I've explained everything in the previous video. So I'm going to be showing you that this platform is still paying. So to recharge again, I'll be showing you that you tap on the recharge session. Then all you need to do is to copy the USDT address there. As you can see, copy it and send the amount of USDT. Then you tap on the recharge completed and it's going to be reflecting your balance. So to do your tax, all you need to do is to tap on the tax which is down there. As you can see, tap on the tax which is down there. Now when you tap on the tax, all you need to do is to tap on to finish to complete your tax for the day. So let's wait as I continue my tax for today, so you too can also see how this works. So after your tax is completed, as you can see, it's going to be reflecting your balance. Now when it has reflected in your balance, all you need to do next is to go to the withdrawal session, which is over there, to place your withdrawal directly to your wallet. Now when you tap on withdrawal, it will be bringing you over here. As you can see, I have 3.3 USDT to withdraw for today. So you put the amount in which you want to withdraw, input the amount, your USDT TRC20 address, then your password, then you tap on confirm, and I'm going to be doing that right away. So as you can see, my withdrawal has been completed. Now when you tap on confirm, your withdrawal is going to be completed immediately. So as you can see, withdrawal success, and this is how you earn. So guys, to get, so as you can see over here, it's already completed. Now as you can see, it has left my my wallet and gone to my deposit wallet. So guys, as you can see over here, to get your referral link, all you need to do is to tap on the team and you are going to be seeing your referral link. All you need to do next is to copy your referral link and share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn. So I'm going to be showing you my withdrawal proof immediately. So going to my wallet, as you can see over here, 3.3 USDT have been sent to my wallet automatically. So this is how you can actually earn on this platform. Thanks for watching, and also if you know you're watching this video, not subscribe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when we upload. See you on my next video.